I was one of the millions na kumahanga kay Trump. I like his style. His style ni Trump medyo bugoy kasi. Dapat magsalita medyo doesn't really care if he pronounces his grammar or whatever, or his diction or his ideology. He's an all-American boy, and let's give it to him na ganon ang pagkatao niya. But we're friends. Hindi ko pa lang na I'm sure that yung linya na ngayon I cannot get through, but he knows that I was for him.
So
in my pronouncements dito sa Pilipinas, I was really saying that Trump ako.
So what will be the implications of the new U.S. president?
Well, I hope that ang una-una actually, what is really very significant is that I hope there would be a sort of a new relationship or modus vivendi, whatever kind, between China and America. Kasi si Trump is not an ideologue. It's more of a businessman. Negosyo kay Trump, hindi yung ideology. I mean, he does not really care about communism, about whatever. Of course, yung mga diktador, pati yung terrorism, talagang ayaw natin yan. But it is universal. It's not only America who hates it, but tayo, because we have been a victim of so many terrorist activities in the past. Yun ang but there will be a new relationship between the Western and itong mga lugar na tinatawag natin historically komunista.
Mr. President,
socialist republics, I would say.
Mr. President, in case si Trump imbitahin ka papuntahin ng US, is that the time na pupunta ka na?
Alam mo, sa totoo lang, even magsakay ng eroplano, Davao, Manila, Davao, hindi ko na kaya.
If in case si Trump pupunta ng Pilipinas tapos may tinatawag na side trip para just to meet you,
I'd be happy to shake his hand and say, congratulations, Mr. President. You made it big and you deserve it.
Kung may hihilingin ka for the Filipino people kay Trump, ano kaya yung pwede mong hingin para sa mga Pilipino ngayon?
Equal treatment sa lahat, not only for us but equality for all. Not just the Philippines, but of course we have a special relationship with America because of our historical ties.
Okay.
Noon dito, early on in the 1800 or was it started in the late 70s, tapos 1800. Pumunta sila dito. And the only sour note there was that they came to conquer us. But that's water under the bridge. Hindi na kailangan itik-tik na natin yan. Kalimutan na natin. So, it's just like the crucifixion of Jesus Christ. Tapos na yan.
Ano yung mga EDCA side na mga military bases dito, pwede ba yan magbago sa panahon ni Trump ngayon? Pwede ba niyang i-retract yan, i-recall yung mga...
I would not force the issue with Trump kung ako. Pagkasabi ko na, sabihin mo lang, of course, there's a lessening of hatred around the world. I hope that the time will come na hindi na kailangan natin to side with China, to side with the Western world, to side with the communist bloc, because as nakikita ko, as we progress into the future, and for the sake of our children, mawala na sana yung alitan ng nito. I really hope, not only hope, I pray, na the next generation, pati yung mga apo natin, would live a very extraordinary, peaceful existence in this planet.
Mr. President, parang galit yata ang Quadcom na hindi mo daw sinipot ang hearing. Inimbitahan ka ba nila sa hearing?
Bakit sila galitan doon man ako?
Yung sa Congress.
Sa Quadcom.
Sa Quadcom.
Not sa Senate.
House of the Representative.
Hindi sa Senate, sa Quadcom.
Mga congressman.
Kasi inimbitahan ka daw, pero Attorney Delgra.
Galit sila?
Galit sila kasi hindi ka daw sumipot.
Hindi ka daw sumipot.
Sinong galit sa akin?
Yung nagsabi si Abante, saka yung si Dan Fernandez, at saka si Ray.
Sipain ko sila, sabihin mo. Tangina. Pera nila. Wala na akong pera eh. At pamasahe ako doon. I am living on my retirement pay. I never, kayo taga Davao kayo, lakin tayo, kababata tayo dito. Wala akong extra money na sa bangko na lahat sweldo ko yan, pati yung retirement ko. Sila pa ang galit ngayon, buang.
At sinabi pang ipakuntin ka daw.
Sige daw.
Si Paduano nagsabi, kaniha lang.
Sino?
Paduano.
Yung Congressman Paduano.
Congressman Paduano.
Kasi
Sino yung unggoy na yan?
yung taga saan yan. Kasi yung actor na diyan, si Dan
Nagpakulong sa lahat
Fernandez,
ng mga
Abante, saka
resource
Paduano.
person. Yan yung nag-contempt sa lahat.
You don't scare me a bit. Galing na ako pagka-presidente, huwag nila akong ganunin. Galing na ako sa Congress. Nag-mayor ako, nag-congressman ako, nag-presidente na ako. Do not give me that shit.
Totoo bang may impartiality na kita mo ngayon, Mayor?
Wala man siguro, but alam mo, actually, wala, in fairness to the idiots, wala akong notice na pupunta ako ngayon. Sabihin mo nga sa hindot na yan.
Pero si Attorney Delgra Mayor nagbigay ng parang reply sa summon or sa na binigay.
What was his reply?
Kasi nalagay sa na si according to Attorney Delgra na yung ginawa mo sa Senado pwede nilang kukunin kung gusto nila na imbitahan
Ano
ka.
sinabi ko? What is there to say or more to what I have said? Na sinabi ko naman lahat. Ano pa ba ang gusto ng mga gago?
May balita, Mayor, na ang ICC prosecutor sa dito na gusto.
ICC?
Yes.
Ang kilala kong ICC is Immaculate Conception natin. Sabihin mo sa ICC, I'm addressing to the ICC. Pumunta kayo dito at bibitayin ko dyan sa Acacia. Lo nila.
Ibang issue.
Pwede daw magbigay ang Senate ng transcript ng statement
Yes, statement
sa
mo sa
ICC.
Senate hearing.
They will do that.
Well, it's up to them. I mean, are you posing a question or are you informing me?
Yeah.
They're informing you that they are
Giving all the
giving all
transcript.
they will give the transcript out to ICC. It's a possibility.
Well, go ahead. Be my guest.
Mr. President,
Yes.
If in case the Quadcom
Hindi na ako presidente. Rodri Duterte.
Rodrigo Duterte, if in
Oh,
case the Quadcom will invite you, bigyan ka nilang ng pamasahe, are you still willing to